To replace the receipt paper in your Epson TMT88 series point-of-sale printer, simply press this button to open the hatch and take out your old roll. You'll see the end of roll warning stripe there, and drop in your new one. Now you want to make sure you put the paper feeding under and not over. And that's because underneath is where the shiny thermal side is. So, drop it in, pull out some paper, close it, tear off the excess, and you are ready to roll. All of our thermal paper rolls are BPA free. We also have color options, heavyweight options, phenol-free options, and more to fit your Epson TMT88 series point-of-sale printer. Give us a call or visit POSsupply.com and we will be happy to help you find just what you need.